Welcome back to GC Wealth Solution, your go-to channel for all things wealth and investment related. Today, we have an incredibly insightful topic lined up for you: how to analyze a company's stock before investing. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just dipping your toes into the world of stocks, this video is packed with valuable insights that will empower you to make informed investment decisions. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. The importance of stock analysis. Unlocking financial success. Understanding how to analyze a company's stock is like having a key to unlocking financial success in the stock market. It's not just about picking a stock, it's about picking the right stock at the right time. In this section, we'll explore why stock analysis is crucial for any investor. Fundamental analysis. The foundation of intelligent investing. Fundamental analysis forms the bedrock of intelligent investing. It involves delving into a company's financial health, management, and competitive positioning. Let's break down the key components of fundamental analysis that you need to master. Financial statements demystified. Reading between the lines. Financial statements are the heartbeat of any company. Learn how to decipher income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements to get a comprehensive picture of a company's financial health. We'll discuss the critical ratios and metrics that can give you valuable insights. Management assessment. Who's steering the ship? The success of a company often rests on the shoulders of its management. Discover how to evaluate the competence and track record of a company's leadership team. We'll discuss the importance of management integrity, vision, and their ability to navigate challenges. Competitive analysis. Standing out in the crowd. No company exists in isolation. Analyzing the competitive landscape is vital to understanding a company's position in the market. Learn how to assess a company's competitive advantage, market share, and industry trends. Technical analysis. The art of timing. While fundamental analysis provides a long-term perspective, technical analysis is all about the art of timing. Dive into the world of charts, trends, and indicators to make sense of a stock's price movements. Chart patterns. Decoding market psychology. Explore common chart patterns like head and shoulders, double tops, and triangles. Understand how these patterns reflect market psychology and can be powerful predictors of future price movements. Indicators and oscillators. Navigating market swings. Get acquainted with popular indicators and oscillators like RSI, MACD, and moving averages. Discover how these tools can help you identify entry and exit points, providing a tactical edge in your investment strategy. Risk management strategies. Preserving capital in volatile markets. Investing is not just about making money, it's also about protecting what you have. Learn effective risk management strategies to safeguard your capital in the face of market uncertainties. Diversification. The power of spread. Explore the benefits of diversifying your investment portfolio. Understand how spreading your investments across different asset classes and industries can mitigate risk and enhance your overall returns. Setting stop-loss orders. Guarding against downside. Discover the importance of setting stop-loss orders. Learn how this simple yet powerful strategy can help you limit potential losses and ensure that you stay in control of your investments. Staying informed. Knowledge is wealth. The financial landscape is ever evolving, and staying informed is key to successful investing. Explore reliable sources of information, market news, and tools that can help you stay ahead of the curve. Empowering your investment journey. As we wrap up today's guide on how to analyze a company's stock before investing, remember that knowledge is the cornerstone of successful investing. Arm yourself with the skills to analyze stocks fundamentally and technically, manage risks effectively, and stay informed about market trends. By doing so, you're not just investing, you're actively shaping your financial future. Thank you for joining us at JC Wealth Solution. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more insightful content, and ring the notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, happy investing.